This video is about the recommendation for the best chemistry and physics assessment books for Sec 3 and Sec 4 for Singapore 2026. Okay, so this is the book. So Chemistry Matters, Structured and Free Response Question. So you can find this from Popular Bookstore. So the cost is about $19.30. So the list of pros and cons. First is reprinted in 2026, so it's reference to the latest MOE syllabus. Okay, and then there are tons of high quality exam questions, so it ranges from level 1 all the way to level 3. Level 3 is the hardest. Okay, so many practices for different type of questions, and at the end of all the topics there will be trial exam papers provided as well, and of course there will be detailed solution provided. The cons are what? There's no introduction for the topics, so but you can always refer back to your textbook or your school notes. Okay, so these some pictures of the inside of the book. So they have the content page, okay, 1 all the way to 22. So these are all the questions. So you can see a level 2 questions here, or level 3 questions here. Level 3 questions usually are like free response questions or database questions. Okay, usually it's in paper 2, the section B. Okay, so this is a picture of the solutions provided. Okay, very detailed. Okay, and that's the back cover. Next is your physics assessment book. Okay, so it's the same publisher. Okay, Physics Matters, Structured and Free Response Questions. So the cost is same, $19.30. Okay, so this is a bit different. This printed in 2025, but it's still very reference to the very relevant, to the latest MOE syllabus. Okay, so the exams questions are really tough, and it's very similar to exam styles. Okay, there's trial exam papers provided, and then detailed answer provided as well. So the same cons. Okay, this assessment books, it does not have any introductions or work examples. Okay, so it's just tons of questions, but you can refer back to the textbook if you need the notes. Okay, but a reminder, for this book, especially for physics, right, some of the tougher questions, the level 3 questions, right, can be really quite tough. So don't get discouraged if you cannot solve them. You can always just learn by looking at the detailed solution. Okay, but at least the level 1 and level 2 questions are very similar to exam. You must be able to do them in order to do well for your school exams. Okay, so this is the content page. Okay, chapter 1 to 22, all the way to radioactivity. Okay, right, structured questions, level 2 questions, and of course the answer key. Okay, so it show you very detailed solution. Okay, that's all. Like, share, subscribe.